Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can uninstall anything from your Windows. So first of all, if you want to uninstall anything, just come over here and you need to search over here setting, and here you can see settings. Just click on settings. Then you need to go to this option called apps. Just click on apps. Then you can see install apps option here. Just click on install apps. Then from here you need to search which app or which software you want to uninstall. So here the software I want to uninstall is called Turbo C++. This one here you can see. So you can just search it over here. After finding that software, just click on this 3 dot option. Then here you can see uninstall button or option. Click on it. Then click on uninstall again. So in order to completely uninstall it, this process may take some time, and it's done. So this is how you can uninstall anything from your Windows. I hope you learned something new. If you are facing any issue or problem, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.